We have something very special. Chigee BMW. So now Chigee's in and powered up. Basically you can cross the apps like this, with the whiz wheel, choosing whatever you want. Let's head for Google Maps, hit the indicator button, up she comes. If you're on the way somewhere, fabulous. If you're not, then you won't have any options. Press and hold indicator returns you back. Let's try Maps, Apple Maps. So across to Apple Maps. What we really want to see is the zoom in feature. There we go. The zoom out feature. That's the kitty. That's what we wanted to see. Bloody perfect. That is why that is gold. Well, there you go, guys. That is absolutely superb. £430, lifeisaride.co.uk. It comes with a 2-year warranty. Yes, standard Chigee 2-year warranty across Europe. All these other sites bleating on how fantastic they are about they're getting a new specially negotiated warranty with Chigee. Everyone gets a 2-year warranty across Europe, including us. Lifeisaride.co.uk, £430. Big statement coming. I don't think BMW are ever going to sell another Navigator. My suggestion to you guys that own Navigators, flog them on Fleabay, buy one of these for 200 quid. Makes sense. So we've got a big number coming. We want to shift them. It goes live on the 15th. Subscribe on the website. You'll get an automatic email when it goes live. So just once more, lifeisaride.co.uk. No special 2-year warranty. It is standard across the board. Everyone in the country, UK, that sells Chigee gets a 2-year warranty. Can't say any more. Nothing special here. Take a look, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. Please like.